So if we add up the number that it is sold on Wii U and Nintendo Switch, here's another lesson here. Up here in the formula bar, we can take the number of Wii U copies, 8.46, plus the number of Switch copies, as reported by Nintendo. $52 million for Switch. We have to do an equal sign before it. So, this right here says 60.46 million, but what's in the formula bar, what the value is 8.46 plus 52. To make it easier to understand the decimals here, I understand not all of you math people, I'm going to put a couple of decimals here as well. You're adding up the whole number plus the decimal, and the decimal here is the numbers that are under a million. And we'll fix that later. Overwatch. Cross-platform. How many copies have been sold of Overwatch? $35 million copies, according to this source. I'm loosely trying to verify the information in IGN. Top 10 best-selling video games of all time. Published December 2022. $50 million according to this source, a Bloomberg report.